Hello and welcome to episode 16 of the Christmas with Jamie 2023 series. This is going to be a continuation of Day 9's video, although we're not going to be at Jordanstown. Instead, we're going to be going to Great Victoria Street, Europa Bus Centre and Adelaide to look at some trains and buses. And you'll be surprised to know at Adelaide it starts to get interesting because we will see loads of rare buses, and we'll even see a Right Solar that probably no bus spotter has seen in quite a while. I'm not going to say which one it is because it's going to come in the video. Or if you follow me on Instagram, you probably might have saw my post from the other week. Anyway, here it comes. Now, here we are at Europa Bus Centre. This is also going to go.
Yeah.
Can you hear that?
What, like that weird...
The wind. What's that, Oisín?
Oh, no, oh, these, I hate these things, they're so good.
I see some SE5s. Mate, you're gonna get wet ass on that.
I don't care. I hate it. I do it.
Well, there's 1272 anyway.
Wait, what's that thing?
There's a street deck over there.
Right, so there's a street there coming in that's like 212.
Yeah, 212 that you were talking about this earlier, weren't you?
Yeah, why should you check it says 212?
No clue, my flipping hood keeps blowing
I'm
off.
questioning why that says 212 on it.
Yeah, I'm questioning why my hood keeps blowing off.
I'm questioning why that says 212 on it.
Oh.
I'm questioning the street deck. Look what the street deck says.
Yeah, it says 212.
There's no way that did the whole route. It probably did a short.
1221's leaving. That's off the Larne. The gateway to Scotland. That SE5 still has the old logo on it.
Yeah. There's a straight dig on the 212 or something.
That's 3358.
Work for the backer hill.
Oh, is that? Oh, yeah.
It's backer hill.
This one. Oh, goes through Dungiven. That's off the lump there. There's 1201. There's 1222 over there.
So right now, let's see what buses I can get over to go over that new bus bit. What bus is that? No, not that. What bus is that there?
That's it. Oh, wait, the blue one.
Yeah, that blue one there. So that's sorry, bus full.
That's a street. Oh, that's an SC5.
What's this bus here on?
That's a street deck.
I got that clean city.
It's yours.
Look at that clean lane city flare.
That is about as clean, unlike M&M's routes.
That's more clean. That's more clean than that Crawford.
To be fair, yeah. He's always been dirty then.
Yo, we should go over that bridge to get a photo.
Yeah.
Guys, let's go onto the bridge there to get a photo. Believe me, you'll love it.
Okay, let's go. We are now on top of the bridge. Look at this.
Yeah, but I can barely see him, too short. Well, that's the sound of me in bed last night. That was the sound of me in bed last night.
Oh, that's gonna go. Anything that looks old, anyway. Ah, you get a good photo. there. Oh, 2252. I get to punch someone now.
Why me?
Because you're the closest person to me.
I'm putting my camera away. Fuck it.
Mate, your bag is fucking soaking. Every other stand is updated, but 16 and 17, they're just too cool. Look.
Guys, one thing. Get a photo of the platforms from the other side.
Alright, go now.
Yeah, fuck.
What's that?
Training school books.
2045, and there's 1716 too.
What was that? What was that?
I see there's an ad run last year.
Yes, they do.
Yours, ready?
It was an SB3.
No, that's a B12.
Alright.
I think it's getting rain. No, it's
What?
No, because that one looks worse. Stop where you are. Sorry. This is the train we're getting on. We're going to get off Adelaide. This is 4,000, but I don't know. I obviously don't know the number of it yet. There's 416 getting ready to leave. But I'm not more than that one leaving because we're getting on this one. This one's only going as far as Lisburn, but we are, like I said, we're getting off Adelaide for some reason. Oh, looks like we are filming this one. And this one there is 410. Hey guys, good to see you. Welcome to Adelaide. There's another one. I don't know what this is doing here. This may be the council service from earlier. Oh, it's not in service. So I might not stop here. Just went right past. Here's us on top of a bridge. There's Adelaide Depot. But if you look 180 degrees behind,
Ballast regulator.
the ballast regulator. Now, Mark, if you're watching this video, I think it's DR73926.
No, it's not. It's a ballast regulator. It's not a tamper.
They look alike, but they're not the
No,
same.
it looks an awful lot like DR73926.
I would agree with you.
Yeah, it really does. But Mark, I finally caught something similar. It isn't the tamper, it's the ballast regulator, but it's something similar. Where's that music coming from? There?
The Windsor Park.
Looks like there's a match on there, and I don't know.
It's probably half time.
Half time, yeah.
I think they need to replace the bridge here, Alex.
No, they really do, because look, you can see the orange is rusting away. I think I pointed this out back in July when I went here, but that can of Red Bull's still there. Alex, there's a can of Red Bull there, and it's been there ever since. It was there when I went in July.
Oh my god.
And it still hasn't decayed or rusted or anything. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, I thought we were going to go.
No.
Oh, by the way, there's 3,000 or 4,000 in the distance. Right, let's get the hell out of here. Now in the Falcon Road, not too far from Adelaide, there's the depot again. And we'll come across two LX 400s. This is the first one here. Used for Alan's tours. Is this 2306?
3906.
Oh, 29. I thought the first couple numbers in the registry were different.
No, that is. It says 2906 on the wall.
Yeah, I know that, but I thought it would have been a different number, like a different serial number.
Oh.
2906 then. The inside, it just looks like a normal transit bus. On the outside.
So Alex, so look, they're LX 400s, correct?
Yeah,
Yep.
they originally belonged to Translink.
I've seen those kind of buses before. They're nice looking buses. Like you would see them, they look like they normally have like they're blue on the blue or pink on the outside.
There's something that's similar that's called the Alexander Dennis Enviro.
Yes.
Although we don't like those.
What time is it?
Like,
might see the
it's like 2:30 or something. Oh look, we got some
That's a B12.
B12s, yeah. There's 1771, 1784.
Who else is in here?
Wait, what? No. Is that what I think it is?
It was the one that was in line.
Was this a scanning
Eight.
solar?
That's it.
750. No way.
It's returned home.
Oh, that's sick. Oh, I need to get a. How do I get a good photo of that?
So Alex, that's a scanning solar, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why is that here at driving school? So bus drivers get trained here.
Yeah, that's a good photo. I got it.
What bus is this, Alex? Oh, sorry, Jamie.
No, I can't believe we got
Sorry, Jamie.
750. That is sick.
Sorry, mate.
That's fine.
Alex, what
This
bus?
bus does not look like it has a
What
beginning
bus is this
or an
here? The
end.
Allen's tour.
It's not owned by Translink. It's owned by Van Hool. Not right bus. 3111.
Is this also ex-Translink?
What bus is this?
Yeah, it used to
What
be
bus
Translink,
is
but it's not
this?
anymore.
Allen's tour.
There's that 750 again.
Matthew, you think owns a bus seat, so he does.
Yeah, he told us. There's 171 behind 750.
Do you own any bus parts?
I own someone's ticket if that counts.
Do you have bus tickets, Alex?
1776. Didn't we just see? Wait, 1776. That was just in Europa.
Yeah.
And then this bus here, this other LX. Oh look, boys, look. This used to have Metro livery.
Yes, that's because it's ex-Metro.
Ex-Metro, yeah.
Here, Alex, what's that bus seat in the one from the road jail?
And that's
A prison bus?
That's 2894. 2894 is ex-Metro, and it's now privately owned by Alan's Tours. This is also ex-Translink. This must be really old, this one. This must be 828. 828.
Oh yeah, well, that's the easiest thing to get.
Alex,
Well,
oh, train.
Huh?
Yeah, train. Oh, 6 car.
Oh, that 6 car?
Alex,
They're not.
I remember Matthew.
Oh, I poured it down. They could run there.
Here's Matthew put it here, guys. Matthew put up a video saying about a bus that was a Translink Scanair solar bus that was for preservation.
She's sexy as.
There's that bus there.
This one is from Scotland.
Matthew put up a video saying about that was Translink.
This one is
only
not from
Metro
Scotland.
bus and driver training.
Ballymena.
Yes. A reserved Metro.
They do sound a bit Scottish there, though.
What was the sell with that?
I don't.
Joe,
I think we're running out of things to see here.
Well, I've already.
So it's about that prison bus then. So
I don't. It's just a Translink bus.
Oh, this one's also ex-Translink. That one on this one. That's an up there.
Not Translink. I don't know where this one came from.
Is this a Versa or?
No, it's this. This is a regular Optar Soul. Nothing else.
Oh, Optar.
It's the old. It's the old one.
Yeah, I can tell it's old because the logo looks like archaic.
Right.
So these are all buses that are preserved.
And there's the main entrance of the depot. Adelaide. Yo, look! I found some tires.
Oh yeah.
He who gets exhausted get tired. Say what I did. He who gets exhausted get tired.
Oh my god.
Wait, you're
No, there is one bus missing from here.
What is it?
Where's the green solar? Where's 723?
Oh, wasn't that up in London there once? No, I'm thinking of something else then.
There's a lot of dairy bus and cars at the minute.
Why? A bit random.
For Metro, it's now Ulster Bus, so transferred it there.
Well, we better get.
Oh,
we
why,
better We better get back to the station.
No, I remember-
Get on the train to head home.
I remember the floating metros and happening. Don't worry, mate, we've got loads of time.
No, I want to get home. So
Yeah.
oh,
I'm actually at this season.
I know. It's getting a bit cold out here.
you want me out in the dark?
Right.
I've been out here for 4 hours. So nearly. Wait, no, just over. Wait, what's that?
What? In there?
Yeah, no,
Ulster Bus Tours.
no, that bus there.
In there?
Yeah,
That's an Ulster Bus Tours. Number 133.
133. If I could get up there, I could probably see it more clear. My iPad can't pick that up though. Unless there's a. Oh wait, I can get somewhere. There we go. Ulster's got so much tours. That's 133.
Right, guys, we better get heading.
Yeah, we bet. Oh fuck! Just hurt myself there. Sorry for my language.
Alright. Right, guys, we better get home.
A twig went into my eye.
Right, well, one last thing. Do any of you want a photo beside any of these buses?
Yes,
I
of
would like a
course.
photo next to that.
Oh, but the thing is, all the best buses are in there.
Well, sure, get one beside the solar and the 2 ALX
Sit-
and the Bendy box.
No, the 750's in there.
Can you get my photo from it?
Yeah, I get you a photo from the bus.
On your phone?
Yeah, my phone.
Here, oh, right, so I wanted to get a photo from them. Here. So what's that bus that's completely white?
That's a solar.
That was used apparently?
Yeah, we can get a photo with that.
That was the only preserved Translink Solar.
No, it's not reserved.
Apparently not.
It's not reserved, it's just still in use.
Just because it's sold on doesn't mean it's reserved.
Ah, that's true.
Nah.
Yeah.
The only solar that's reserved is number 732, which is
Yeah, that's the one I said.
Wait.
Because actually, that's the one I said. Because Matthew said that was preserved.
Do you
in the
remember
video.
when we went on 809 last year?
809.
No, so well, it was this year, but
Oh yeah, you're talking about the one that was lying at the back of Ballymena.
yeah.
That's the Scania Solar,
That,
isn't it?
apparently that's gone for scrap now or something.
Yes, yeah.
That's unfortunate. That was the oldest bus in the fleet, I believe. And it's gone.
Right, get a photo in front of that.
Right,
So
let's
that Solar, that one that's completely white, is a Scania Solar.
let's
bus.
get a photo of 133.
Can I get a photo? Can I get a photo in front of that Solar, the white one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna stop filming this clip. Look how long I'm gonna record for. Maybe 10 minutes. Do you know why? Because it's really interesting over here. Yeah.
I think this is over here.
So is that a city bus?
No.
A city bus tour?
No, that's X-Translink.
That's an
No, it's
X-Translink.
Oh, is it not?
No,
That one definitely is.
yeah.
Yeah, that one definitely is.
Right, it's time to get.
It's literally so obvious.
Yeah,
The
it's not used
interior
anymore.
says so. Right, I'll stop recording this clip.
and I will see you guys back at Adelaide. No, we actually, no, that wouldn't be our train. So we're now back in Great Victoria Street. Just do this for a couple seconds just to let you know we're getting on another train, only to go home. So, yeah, that's it. And this is our train back home. The 3, 2, 1 again. We were on this earlier. So there it is. Alright, we will proceed to go on. Yeah, but up with his hand. Oh, yes! Yeah, boy!
Holy shit.
Yes. The lads. The lads.
Yeah, back on the train after an amazing.
Hey, what's good?
Now we're back at White Abbey. Oh yeah, there's another train. Looks like I need to film this one now. Wait, I'm not sure if this one's stopping. Yeah, it's stopping. Aye. 4:04. Weren't we on this one earlier? I have a feeling we were. And at the time I record this, Charlie, Oisín and Oren are gone. So but luckily we still have this guy here.
Hey!
But we don't, because we're going to end this video here. So I will see you tomorrow for Christmas with Jamie, day 10, and it'll be some old footage from, I don't know, you'll have to wait and find out. So, see ya.